What is up, everybody? It is Drake here with DSF Financial, showing you guys the ATM business and how I'm making my money work for me through passive income. Today's video is a little bit different in the fact that this is kind of a day in the life, I guess, day in the life video of an ATM owner. I had to wake up early this morning. Susie, the wife, does get her hair done, and she does only trust one person to do her hair, and that person lives in Austin. So we had to wake up early this morning, went to Austin. Here I am in Austin now. And she is now getting her hair done. It is about 9:30 right now. So she's getting her hair done, and I am working on ATM stuff. The plan today, I need to fill up the adult entertainment club. So I'm going to take you guys along for that. I generally have a friend of mine fill it for me. But since I am in town, the coronavirus is still going on. My friend who does fill it lives actually in San Antonio. So he isn't able to fill it right now. I'm going to fill it up, and I'll take you guys along for that. I also have to make a bank run, which I am actually at the bank right now. If you can kind of see it behind me, not really. I'm at the bank right now about to get some money out so I can put that in the ATM. Most of the businesses are now open. My ATM has been popping the last, I guess, 5 days since Monday, and it is Saturday. It's went through about $6,000 in a couple days. So I want to make sure to fill that thing up. And to do so, I need to get the cash. I'm going to go get this cash now from the bank, and I'll see you guys soon. So, of course, one thing I did not think of, the bank is closed right now due to coronavirus for walk-ins. I had to make an appointment in order to get a bunch of cash out. So my alternate method of getting money out is I'm going to use my ATM debit card. I'm going to take out the max out of their ATM that I can from my credit union that I use for the ATM business. And then I'm going to go to my personal bank and take out the rest of the cash from there. What I'll do to keep track of it, since I am taking it out of our non-business bank account, is I'm going to just quick pay from our business bank account into my personal account, because I am going to be taking some cash out of my personal account, and I want to keep the funds essentially as separate as possible. So that's what I'm going to do. But first, and what is rather exciting actually, is I'm getting an ATM today. I'm picking it up from a friend of mine. One thing that I try and do, and I have harped to you guys several times, is time is money. So what I try and do, I try and limit the trips obviously to Austin, because it is very timely. It takes 3 hours to get to Austin, 3 hours back without any traffic. So since Susie has to get her hair done, I'm getting an ATM while we're at it, and then obviously filling the ATM. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm off to my buddy's store to go grab the ATM. I got the dolly in the back to help me haul this thing, and I'll bring you guys along for that as well. Come along for the ride with me, guys. So I made it to my buddy's location, or my buddy's store. We're going to pick up this ATM. It's a Halo 2. It's actually the one that I borrowed for a couple weeks at the adult entertainment spot until I can get my new ATM in. I already know the ATM. It's been one of my employees before. I just need to grab her and bring her up to Dallas area so we can start making money with it. So let me go talk to the store clerk here and get this ATM. Bad boy loaded up in the truck. Now off to my personal bank so I can go get the rest of the money to go put in the machine. So let's go do that. All right, so mission accomplished. We got the ATM filled. I was able to get 3,000 out, so put that in the ATM, which will hold it over for the rest of the weekend at least until my friend is able to fill it up more. But I just want to make sure that we are collecting money in the meantime. Austin is relatively open, so there are people that are definitely trying to let loose a little bit, partied up and all that, and the ATM at that location definitely does well. Now I'm just waiting on the wife to get done with her hair, which hopefully won't be too much longer. We shall see though. Now with this ATM now in the back of the SUV, well, what I am going to do with it actually is first I'm going to do a couple videos on reprogramming the ATM, putting in the master keys, changing the safe locks, the master codes, all that stuff. I'll be getting those videos done in the next week or so. And then I'm going to be finding a location to put it. Barbershops right now are hustling, bustling. So hopefully I can get one of those. If not, I'm attempting to find some laundromats as well. The 2 laundromats that we have now in Austin are actually doing pretty well and have been doing well through this crazy pandemic. But if I can get a new ATM and a new location, new laundromat, new barbershop, new bar, club, something like that, that'll be some good news for this this new worker we have in the back. I do want to do some videos on how I'm getting the locations. I know I did a video about a year and a half ago, I guess now, on how I got a location. I ended up getting a nightclub at that point, a casual-in nightclub. But I want to do a little bit more in-depth on the research, showing you guys what I do on the computer on how to find an actual location. So that's definitely something on my to-do list, and hopefully I'll have that out in the next week or two. I don't want to just put out random videos for you guys that really don't mean anything, so I want to put a little bit of time and effort into it. So that'll be what the videos are about, and will definitely be some details, and I think pretty useful for you new ATM owners, or for you guys just looking to research and hopefully make a good, smart decision by watching my videos. Now when the wife is done, we'll be driving to a friend of ours' house just on our way back to Dallas. Stop in, say hi, and check out his new spot. Congrats, Jonathan, on the new place. We're excited to see it. And after we hang out with him for a bit, we're gonna be on our way back home to North Texas. A nice 3-hour drive. It was really good actually on the way in. We didn't hit really any traffic at all, which is really nice. Part of that, I'm sure, is due to the pandemic. People still aren't traveling as much, but I'll take it. I will take it when I'm traveling, and I'll take 0 traffic all day, every day. I'm sure you guys are the same. If you guys think I should attempt to install this ATM at a specific spot, maybe one I haven't talked about or a new one that I haven't even heard of, let me know. Leave that comment down below. I'm curious to see what type of locations you guys want me to go after. So make sure to leave that down below. All right, so the lady got her hair done, looking all lovely.
Perfect.
I think so too. Perfect. Now we're off to Buddy's house and then on our way back to Dallas. Let's go. Alright, so it is bright out here. Sorry about the glare, but we could not meet up with my buddy. So now the next best thing, Buc-ee's.
Buc-ee's!
Let's see what all we can get. Maybe get a new barbecue.
I have a big one. Get the smoker.
Right.
Oh, you want a tabletop one?
Something like that.
Order one, two, wait.
Old faves. All the goodies. All right, so Bucky trip done. What did we get? We got some goodies, $50 worth of stuff, of course. Fudge, which you cannot go wrong with Bucky's fudge.
Ever.
Bucky's gummy bears.
Delicious.
Winner, winner.
Can't forget your chocolate-covered nuts.
Walnuts.
Cashews. Cash.
Oh, cashews. Cashews. I like that. For the ATM business. And then a couple brisket sandwiches, I think, are down there somewhere. Now, on the road again. About 2 hours left. Let's go. All right, guys, we made it back. All in all, about an 11.5-hour drive. Not too shabby, well worth it. Got Susie looking beautiful with her nice hair. And then we also got a new employee to get put to work. Man, it's bright out here. Whew. I am tired. It's been a long day. I think we woke up around 5 o'clock this morning, headed out by 6 a.m. down to Austin and back. And it's about 5:30 right now. So that's about 11.5-hour day for us. All travel, all well worth it, all to make some money, all for positive things in life. One thing that's kind of exciting actually is I do have to do some things to the ATM. I of course have to get this ATM up and running properly. Some things that I have to do to it is reset the master keys so I can connect it to my Columbus data account. I also have to change out the safe combo, all the locks in the system, the computer system there, and I definitely want to explain some of that stuff to you guys to hopefully make things a little easier if you guys are getting in the ATM business or are just interested in it. I'll be shooting some videos here in the next couple of days and posting those up as soon as I can. I hope you guys have a beautiful day today. It's Saturday for me. I was grinding, I was hustling, getting things done. I hope you guys were doing the same. Enjoy the day, but keep grinding like it's Monday.